Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely wonderful Range Rover Evoque that we have just brought into stock. As we can see, the car is in absolutely wonderful condition. This particular model is the Evoque D180 Dynamic SE. It's the 2-litre diesel automatic and it's finished in the Santorini Black metallic, as we can see, with the factory fitted privacy glass and the gloss black alloy wheels, really finishing this vehicle off. And of course on the interior we have a full black leather upholstery to complement everything. Now this particular car's covered just over 25,000 miles and it has a full Land Rover service history. Now, as well as the amazing level of standard equipment on this vehicle, it also has over £3,000 worth of factory fitted optional extras. And just to take you through some of those while we're on the exterior, we can see up top, just slightly tilted at the moment, we have the sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a £1,450 factory option, and that will slide all the way back, and of course has an electric blind to cover as well. We'll have another look at that once we're inside the vehicle. We also have full keyless entry, which is a £400 factory option. We can see the door handles popped out at the moment. Range Rover started this on the Velar and they've moved this to the Evoque, and the little button on each of those will allow you to press to lock and press to unlock with the key in your pocket. And of course a keyless go start button inside the vehicle means that key never needs to come out of the pocket at all. Now, something else on the exterior we can see is the front and rear sensors with displays, so we've got audible and visual there, and we also have a reversing camera to complete the parking aids. And as mentioned before, we can see that privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, really matching the vehicle incredibly well. So let's go and have a look at the interior. So I can assure you the quality and the finish of that interior matches exactly what you see here on the exterior of the car. Okay, so let's start off with the panoramic roof. As we can see in the tilted position at the moment, there is a fixed pane of glass further back there above the heads of the rear seat passengers, but that particular one will tilt and slide as well. We can see the full black leather upholstery, and the way everything is laid out on these new Evoques is absolutely stunning. So some of the equipment that we have on the inside of the vehicle. So we have a Clearsight interior rear view mirror, which is an auto dimming rear view mirror. We also have a heated multifunction steering wheel. We have the virtual cockpit behind there, which can be customized with the content and the styles that you like. Active lane keep assist, so the vehicle will actively keep you in lanes rather than just give you a beep. A speed limiter along with cruise control, heated front seats of course, and the seats are also fitted with a 3-stage memory package, so the electric controls on the side, memory package just over here to save your positions. So yes, the vehicle is in absolutely wonderful condition, as mentioned. If there are any specific details that you need to know, then please do get in touch and we will happily pass that information over, or of course provide another video similar to this one. So we'll say thank you very much again for your inquiry. I hope you find the video informative, and we'll be in touch very soon with the calculations. Thanks once again, and bye for now.